So up to pollination, you've understood?
Yes, miss.
Alright. Now the pollen grains from the anther, they get deposited on the stigma.
Yes, miss.
The gynoecium, the female reproductive part of a plant. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Now, so the pollen grain is getting deposited over here. Can you see it?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
What the pollen grain does, it grows a long tube-like structure. So from the pollen grain, now you can turn on to a separate page and maybe you can draw this out separately. But first to pay attention, I will give you the diagram, don't worry. First to understand this drawing. So the pollen grain now grows a long tube-like structure, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. And this tube-like structure enters the ovary.
Yes,
The
miss.
ovary, right?
Yes, miss.
The ovary. It enters the ovary. Clear? Now what are there inside the ovary? Remember there are these ovules inside the ovary.
Yes, miss.
You have the ovules, right?
Yes, miss.
You have the ovules inside the ovary.
Yes, miss.
Now this tube-like structure which is coming out or growing from the pollen grain is carrying with it the male reproductive cell. Remember the word I taught you the other day? The word was called gamete.
Yes, miss.
Gamete.
Yes, miss.
Gamete
Yes, miss.
means egg.
Yes, miss.
Gametes means
Eggs.
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 So the pollen tube. This is called the pollen tube. This tube that is coming tube-like structure that is growing from the pollen, it is nothing but it is known as the pollen tube.
Pollen tube.
Let me just rub this part a little bit so that you can. This is the pollen tube.
Pollen tube.
It is carrying with it the male reproductive cell. The pollen tube carries with it, I'm rubbing this also.
Yes, miss.
The pollen tube carries with it the male reproductive cell. So it carries inside it the male gamete.
Male gamete.
What is a gamete? A gamete is a reproductive cell. The things which you cannot see with your eyes. All right?
Yes,
Or in common word, we can call it eggs.
Eggs. Yes, miss.
So the pollen tube carries the male eggs. The ovule. What is the ovule? Ovule is nothing but the female egg, right?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Pollen tube goes and enters the ovule. It enters the ovule into the female egg. So now what happens? The male egg or the male gamete plus the female gamete. So the male gamete enters into the female gamete. So the male and the female gamete, they fuse. The word is called fuse.
Fuse.
All right, that means they mix together and merge together. All right. So the male and the female gametes fuse to form what? To form a zygote.
Zygote.
The male and the female gametes, they fuse to form a zygote.
Zygote.
All right.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
This process where the male gamete enters the female gamete, and they fuse together to form a zygote, it is known as fertilization.
Fertilization.
This whole process is called fertilization. Write down the word male gamete plus female gamete zygote. So what is fertilization? Fertilization is the process in the male gamete. Please write down. If you don't write, you will forget. Write it in your exercise book. Fertilization is the process in which the male gamete fuses, use the word fuses, F-U-S-E-S, fuses, fuses with the female gamete to form a zygote. All right?
Yes, Miss.
Then what happens? Have you written fertilization?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Ananya done? Sanskriti done?
Yes, Miss. Yes, yes, Miss.
Now, after fertilization, what happens? All the parts of the flower, they dry up. Okay. After sometimes you do see the petals are drying up, falling off. Don't you see it?
Yes, yes, Miss.
After fertilization, all the parts of the flower they dry up except this ovary. Except this part, the ovary. Except this part. All these will dry up. This will dry up. Andrecium, gynoecium, the sepals, the petals. Okay, they will all dry up. Except this ovary. This ovary then will become dry. And it will either fall on the ground. So this ovary falls on the ground and it is a seed. You say it is a seed, don't you say? Seed, dana.
Yes, Miss.
What is a seed? Seed is nothing but the zygote. So in common language, the zygote is a seed. In common language, the zygote is a seed. All right?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
So now the seed forms. And now when you plant the seed into the soil, from there, a baby plant grows up, right?
Yes, Miss.
And this baby plant is known as the embryo. So the zygote
Embryo.
develops into an embryo. From the zygote, we get an embryo or a baby plant. Okay?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Clear?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
So from this zygote, it will, what develops? An embryo develops. The embryo is nothing but a baby plant. A baby plant. Actually the embryo is nothing but a baby plant. So you put it under the soil and from there a small sapling comes out. What comes out? A sapling.
Sapling. Sapling.
So a seed is nothing but a zygote.
Yes, miss.
A zygote is nothing but a fertilized ovule.
Fertilized ovule.
Fertilized ovule. Why fertilized ovule? Because the male gamete and the female gamete have fused together and it has fertilized. And the process is called fertilization or fertilization.
Fertilization.
Right?
Yes, miss.
The zygote, from the zygote, you get an embryo. The zygote develops into an embryo. And from the embryo, you get this baby plant or a sapling. It's called a sapling. S-A-P-L-I-N-G. Sapling.
Okay, miss.
Yes?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
So now you understood how the process of this whole process is fertilization. It is nothing but reproduction. So a big plant reproduces and gives a small plant, right?
Small plant. Yes, miss.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
So this is plant reproduction. Your next chapter, chapter number 5, that we just now discussed.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes?
Yes, miss.
How do plants reproduce?
How do plants reproduce? So just now we explained
Excuse me, miss.
how do plants reproduce. Yes.
Miss, in this picture, there is a picture